I have cinnamon bun earrings on today. And little candy corn. Because today is a cinnamony bunny day. It's really cold today. I'm just enjoying the nature today. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little spider. Sorry to be in the way of your web. Bye. She's just going along. She has her web attached to a tree somewhere. Aren't these pretty? They're so beautiful. Look at the Fibonacci sequence within that. How beautiful is that? I just love pine cones. They're so beautiful and cute. I like how they explode and release their seeds. Or if there's a forest fire, they'll do that too. They'll just boom! They're nature's little grenade. And they'll just kind of blast their seeds out so that the seeds escape the flames. There's a very angry little chipmunk over there somewhere. But then they'll want me to give them seeds. And they're not very nice about it. Like, they're really aggressive. Well, it's okay, they're cute though. And by aggressive I mean that they're like, give me the seeds right now. They get so mad. That was the deer. That was the deer again. That's her warning signal to the other deer.